How to find a reported law case using a citation. You are asked to find this reported case, Chinicum Charitable Foundation Limited and Chanchan Chuan, 2011, 4, HKC, 582. But how do you know which database or law report series to search? As a law report citation includes the abbreviation of the law report series, this information can be used for locating the case. Cardiff Index to Legal Abbreviations allows you to find matching law report titles by searching either the abbreviation or the title of the law report series. As you have the abbreviation, type in HKC on the Search by Abbreviation box to search. The result shows that HKC stands for the Law Report Series, Hong Kong Cases. Every time you wish to use CUHK Library Search, sign in CUHK Login first. You can use your CUHK 1Pass password or LumNet password as your library password. Once the law report title is known, go to Library Search and type in Hong Kong Cases, under Library Search tab, to check which database holds the law report series. The result list includes both print and electronic version of the law report series. If you have not signed in previously, click Login to access CUHK Login. Click Online Access to the database directly. This law report series is available on Lexis Advance. Click Lexis Advance Hong Kong to view Hong Kong cases. You may enter your search terms on the search box or click plus to browse judgments. You can enter keywords, case title, party names, citation, or case number etc. in the search terms box, and then click Search button. Click Case Title to open the full text. The full text case is located. You may print, email, or download the report. Click PDF, Download Document, if you wish to read the case in Hong Kong case report format. For a complete list of law report citations and their holdings at CUHK, go to Law Reports Citations Guide on the Law Library's website.